All right, let's talk snapshots. I'm not going to spend time in this video going over what a snapshot is. If you're searching for how to install or create snapshots, I'm assuming you know what it is. So what do we do to actually get a snapshot created? How do we download it? How do we share it? How do we install it? Very, very simple. You do have to have the agency level of HighLevel, so make sure that you are in your agency dashboard so we can see that if I'm in a sub account and then I go to my account switcher, I can come back here to agency dashboard. So we'll make sure in our agency dashboard, and we see right here that we have account snapshots. So these are all my snapshots that I've created, and we can create a new snapshot. Now, in order to create a new snapshot, we need to have a sub account to make that snapshot from. So for example, my marketing toolbox snapshot, this is kind of my master snapshot that I sell, and I also give it to all of my clients or my students as a bonus. So what I did is I created a sub account called master snapshot, and in this sub account, I put in all my different funnels that I want to be able to give people as templates. So my fill in the blank lead gen funnels, which you can grab at the link below for free, by the way. Fill in the blank funnels, all this stuff. I want to be able to package this up so someone can just download it, get my link, and then they can upload it right into their HighLevel account. Whether they purchased it, got it for free, whether they are a client, whatever the use case. So once you've gone into your sub account, you've created everything that you want inside of your snapshot, your funnels, your pipelines, your websites, your products, whatever it is. Get all that ready and then go back to your agency view. Come in here to account snapshots and click create new snapshot. You're going to name it. So we'll do test name. And then for your sub account, you're just going to choose what sub account you want to use as the snapshot. So for this, let's go with attraction autopilot. You know what? I actually need this snapshot. So in a real use case, so I'm going to go and do attraction autopilot. And then I can kill two birds with one stone here. So I'll go ahead and click next. And it's going to go ahead and prepare the assets. Should not take very long. Right here, just go ahead. I'd recommend selecting all. You can go through this one by one and you can select individual things, but I would just go ahead and select all. Click proceed, and it's going to go ahead and create your snapshot. So now if we refresh, we should see right here our snapshot, and you can see right here that it is still uploading, which is fine. So how do we now share our snapshot? Well, super simple. We come over here to the three dots. We go to share snapshot, and we have a few different links. You can get a permanent link, a one-time link, agency restricted, sub-account restricted. Typically, if I'm just going to send this out, let's say I have a consulting client, and as a bonus, they get my snapshot, I'll grab them a one-time link. If it's something where, like the one I mentioned earlier, you can get my free lead gen snapshot, that I just do a permanent link because I want people to be able to use that link all the time, anytime. So choose the correct link and go ahead and select get link. And this right here is your snapshot link. So now, in order for someone to actually upload this snapshot, all they need to do is grab this link, make sure that they are logged into Go HighLevel on their browser, paste that link in the browser right there, and just press enter. And what it will do is it will then give them the option to go ahead and install that snapshot. So we see right here, it says, do you want to import this snapshot into your account? You can click yes, import. And then what it'll ask you to do is, well, really nothing. It's just going to put the snapshot right here into your account. And now, if you have the snapshot and you want to load it into a sub account, you can come over here to sub accounts. And let's say we wanted to put it into this sub account right here. I'll just click on it. Now it's going to go on and open up the page here for our sub account that we selected. We can go to actions and we can click on load snapshot, and then we can just choose our snapshot, and it's going to show you if this is an imported snapshot or if these are snapshots that you actually own, or if these are vertical / industry snapshots from HighLevel itself. So you go ahead and select your snapshot that you want to upload. Click proceed, and I'm not going to go ahead and upload this here, but it's just going to ask you what it did earlier when we created the snapshot, just to check everything that you want. So you can actually choose not to include certain things from a snapshot. So let's say you grab a snapshot and it has 100 funnel templates, but you really only need one of them. You can go ahead and just select that one. You can select 10. You can do whatever you want. It's completely customizable. So that is how you create, download, share, and import or install snapshots into new accounts. Snapshots are awesome. They're a great way to build additional revenue sources. You can sell them. They make awesome bonuses if you are a course creator or you are an agency. Love, love, love Snapshots, so definitely go ahead and play around with this. If you're new to HighLevel, got plenty of videos here on the channel. If you want to try HighLevel free, link down in the description below. Also, you can check out my website. There's a ton of free resources on there that should be helpful to you if you're a course creator, coach, or just into online marketing. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.